Did you know that over 30 million people in the US alone struggle with joint discomfort, making everyday activities feel like a chore? It's no wonder that researchers are constantly looking for new ways to support joint health. One simple daily ritual that's been gaining attention is the gelatin trick. By incorporating gelatin trick into your routine, you can start to notice a real difference in how your joints feel. Imagine being able to move freely, without that nagging ache in your knees or hips. That's what the gelatin trick can help you achieve. My friend, who's an avid hiker, swears by the gelatin trick, saying it's helped her recover from long hikes and wake up feeling more limber. The gelatin trick works by providing your body with the building blocks it needs to support healthy joints. And when you make it a part of your daily routine, you can start to experience the benefits for yourself. To learn more about how to incorporate the gelatin trick into your daily life, check out the link in the description below, and be sure to take a look at the pinned comment for some additional tips on getting started with the gelatin trick. By giving the gelatin trick a try, you can take the first step towards a life with more comfort and mobility.